Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bowmaker, and today I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous door swag or centerpiece in the Bowdabra in just minutes. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire, and I'm cutting a piece long enough that I can fold it in half and lay it down into my Bowdabra. Now, if you're not familiar with the Bowdabra, under here we have springs, so it's automatically going to adjust to everything that I'm going to be putting into it, which is going to be a lot. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take my mesh ribbon, and I'm just going to roll it over a little bit and scrunch it into the Bowdabra. Then I'm just going to keep pulling it down and basically scrunching it into my Bowdabra, which is why we call this a scrunchy bow. So we'll just scrunch that down, and now this I've got rounded here, and we're just going to lay this down. That way the fray of the mesh doesn't show. And the next thing that I'm going to do is take these, and we're just going to lay those going this way, and I'm going to take one here and lay it going that way, and we're just going to keep going opposites and lay this in here so our orchids look really pretty. Lay this in here. So this really will make a great, it could be either a centerpiece or a door swag. So we'll lay that, and I've already dovetailed my tails. We'll lay that going that way, and I'm going to take my garland and lay this going this way. So you can pretty much take anything and put it into the Bowdabra. So I'm just going to kind of make sure that I'm in the center here. And we'll lay this going down this way. And again, I'm going to take my garland and lay that. Then I'm going to take my flowers, and we're just going to lay these in here and lay this flower going that way, and this one going this way, and lay that one here, and we'll lay this in here. Let's lay that down. Let's lift my flower up a little bit here. And then I'm going to take this branch here. I'm just going to curl it a little bit and lay that down in here. And then I'm going to put my final flower in there, or my final rose. And then what I'm going to do is just take my Patriotic Ribbon, and all of the ribbons that we're using except for the mesh, well, this Patriotic Ribbon you can find at bowdabra.com as well as the Bowdabra. We'll just crunch that in and twist it, and I'm just going to fold it over here, just making sure that I'm about the same length for each of my loops. And we have 1, 2, 3, so there. And I've got just enough to put one more loop in here and give everything a good push. And now I'm just going to lay my last flower in, and I'm going to give everything another really good scrunch with my Bowdabra bow wire. Bow wand. And now I'm going to take my bow wire and bring that up here. I'm going to take the two ends, bring them up. And then I'm going to grab my loop, and by doing that I have a slip knot. So I'm just going to pull it into the slip knot and pull it really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. And I'm going to pull it out, and again you can see that with all this stuff in there I'm not struggling at all. So I'm going to just separate my ends and bring it around to the back, and this would make such a great Veterans Day or patriotic for 4th of July bow. And we're just going to tie another knot, and now I'm just going to shape it out by bringing all of my loops, bring them up. I'm going to take this stem and just hide that underneath, and bring this here and bring my flower into the middle, and take my loops and just puff them out and make sure my flowers are going the way that I want them, that my tails are going opposite ways, from each other. So we have the tails going down this way and this way. And now you have this really, really pretty door swag, or it could be a great patriotic centerpiece. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you in the next video.